Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can make money online. So I'm going to be showing you an app called Honeygain, right? So you just have to Google Honeygain and then it's just his website, right? Going with Honeygain. Now, it says here, turn unused internet into real cash. Now, this app is a completely passive income. What that means is that beyond the initial setup, the signing in and all of those stuff, you just have to install an app and then let it run in the background and that's it. Because the way that Honeycane works is that it monitors your internet traffic, right? And then they'll use that internet traffic and they'll sell it to data analysts and all of those stuff for beneficial research, right? And people need this data. So that's why they sought after it, right? And it's completely passive again. So beyond the initial setup, you're done. You're basically getting a free $20 paycheck every month by just signing up and using this app. Now, if you're not comfortable with your internet traffic being shared, then definitely don't install this app. But if you don't care, like I do, this is a completely good deal, right? You can see there's an average payout sum of $26 and there's 600K a month new registration and there's over $4 million paid every month by them and that's spread out to all of their users, right? You can also earn up more to $30 per month by referring to your friends, right? So if you have a referral link from Honeycane themselves and you share it to your friend, each time one friend register and they use your referral link, you'll get $5 in return. So it's a lot of money and it's passive and most of it is online as well. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.